As we enter 2025, Bitcoin stands at a pivotal moment in financial history. With over 420 million global cryptocurrency users and an ecosystem evolving faster than ever, the burning question is, what's next for Bitcoin? Could it surpass its all-time highs, or are we facing unexpected twists? Today, we'll uncover expert predictions, key trends, and actionable insights to help you navigate your Bitcoin investments in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. The journey so far, a recap of Bitcoin's story. Before we look ahead, let's reflect on Bitcoin's remarkable journey. The early days, launched in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was created to decentralize currency and eliminate intermediaries. First milestones, Bitcoin hit $1 in 2011, paving the way for digital gold. Key bull runs highlight the 2017 peak, $19,000, and the 2021 surge, $68,000. The 2024 halving effect. Discuss how the most recent halving in May 2024 reduced the mining reward to 3.125 BTC, historically leading to bullish trends due to reduced supply. Explain the correlation between halving events and price surges, citing examples from 2012, 2016, and 2020. Understanding Bitcoin's history is crucial to predicting its future. Each milestone not only demonstrates resilience but also reveals patterns investors can learn from. 2. Key 2025 trends to watch. 2025 promises to be a transformative year for Bitcoin, with several factors set to shape its trajectory. 1. Institutional adoption. Companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest continue integrating Bitcoin into ETFs and portfolios. The impact of Bitcoin ETFs gaining regulatory approval worldwide. How institutional involvement might stabilize Bitcoin's price over time but reduce its volatility-driven profit potential. 2. Regulatory landscape. The EU's MiCA, Markets in Crypto Assets, regulations, and the US SEC's evolving stance on cryptocurrencies. Will tighter regulations limit Bitcoin's growth, or will clarity boost investor confidence? The global divide. Countries banning versus embracing Bitcoin, e.g., China versus El Salvador. 3. Technological advancements. Developments like the Lightning Network are making Bitcoin more viable for everyday transactions. Introduction of decentralized apps, dApps, utilizing Bitcoin as a base layer. Potential competition from other blockchains like Ethereum and Solana in the race for scalability. 4. Macroeconomic factors. Bitcoin's performance as a hedge against inflation. How global monetary policies, especially in the US, affect Bitcoin's value. The role of geopolitical events and rising energy costs in shaping Bitcoin's adoption in developing economies. 5. Environmental concerns and solutions. Bitcoin mining's carbon footprint remains controversial, but emerging trends like renewable-powered mining and carbon credits are changing the narrative. Examples of sustainable mining initiatives in countries like Iceland and Texas. These 5 pillars are the foundation of Bitcoin's future trajectory. But let's zoom in on the numbers to see what experts are predicting for 2025. 3. Expert predictions for 2025. What do the industry leaders and analysts think? Bullish predictions. ARK Invest predicts Bitcoin could reach $500,000 by 2030, based on supply-demand dynamics and growing institutional adoption. Analysts at Fundstrat suggest a potential $120,000 target if post-halving scarcity aligns with rising adoption. Why a Bitcoin ETF boom could funnel billions into the market in 2025. Bearish views. Skeptics like Peter Schiff argue Bitcoin's lack of intrinsic value might lead to eventual collapse. Concerns over government overreach. How excessive regulation might drive investors to privacy-focused alternatives like Monero. Neutral stance. Many analysts foresee a range-bound year for Bitcoin in 2025, oscillating between $40,000 and $80,000 as the market matures. Key data points to watch. Bitcoin dominance, on-chain metrics, e.g., active wallet addresses, and trading volume trends. While predictions differ, one thing is clear: Bitcoin's journey will be anything but dull. 4. Actionable strategies for 2025. Whether you're hodling, day trading, or just exploring Bitcoin, here are some strategies to consider in 2025. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid overexposure to Bitcoin. Consider allocating funds to Ethereum, Solana, or traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Example, a portfolio split of 50% crypto, 30% stocks, 20% cash could hedge against extreme volatility. 2. Stay updated. Follow credible sources for news, like CoinDesk and CryptoSlate, to track regulatory updates and market shifts. Importance of monitoring on-chain metrics to understand Bitcoin's underlying health. 3. Set realistic goals. Decide whether you're investing for short-term profits or long-term wealth. Utilize tools like stop-loss orders to minimize downside risks during market downturns. 4. Embrace dollar-cost averaging, DCA. Consistently invest a fixed amount into Bitcoin regardless of price to mitigate volatility risks. 5. Secure your investments. Highlight security tips. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. Enable two-factor authentication, and avoid storing funds on exchanges. 5. Bitcoin's role in a changing world. Beyond price, what does Bitcoin mean for society? adoption in developing nations as a lifeline against hyperinflation, e.g., Venezuela and Zimbabwe. Bitcoin's role in the future of decentralized finance, DeFi. Ethical questions. Should Bitcoin mining adapt faster to environmental concerns? Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a global phenomenon reshaping economies and challenging traditional financial systems. 2025 could be a landmark year for Bitcoin, whether you're an investor, a skeptic, or just curious about the technology. From having driven scarcity to regulatory clarity and increasing adoption, Bitcoin's trajectory will depend on your ability to stay informed and adapt. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, and success lies in preparation. What's your take on Bitcoin in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert takes on cryptocurrency and blockchain.